So what we got going on?
We got 4-foot tile cut into 2 inches every piece. That way you got some grip under your feet. Take our measurement now. We got 9 light. We can cut those. Got 9 over there. And then we'll have to snap those with our snapper. Boom, at 9 inches. And then cut them every 2 inches. Should be good. So we're gonna lay it out, get some other ones, see which ones that we're gonna like to run up the wall, try to hit that vein, try to hit these veins on the side. Probably these are the focal. Try your best there, and then try your best. That's a priority one. And they're gonna go halfway here, all the way around, with a subway tile sitting right on top to the ceiling. 4-foot tile on the ceiling, matching the shower pan. It's gonna be sweet. We're gonna have the subway tile pleated and around this. Then we're gonna bend a gold metal Schluter with the red subway. It's gonna look pretty sweet. These Ardex 8+9 on the corner here with some mesh maybe. Get that dialed in. We can use thin set on all our screw holes and easy seams, but on our crucial points like our corners and our pan, we 8+9 to over top, so it's bulletproof. Crazy.
This is gonna be our left side.
This will be your left side. Here's the good edge. Here's your curved side. We had a vein on our drain about 4 inches, so it's close into there. We had a bunch of 22 to 26, so that's gonna flow like that off the tray. That's our first cut, and we'll slot that every 2. We'll get back at it.
All right.
Get it set up, get all the arms out, like a big spider. Alright. Cut in.
You getting it?
Go ahead.
Oh man.
Is it recording? It is.
What do you think? Like half power?
It's a smaller, thinner tile. I'd say a nice light score, but don't be afraid of it. Get into a running position to where you're good as gold. Do we need to extend them arms in a different way? I think I like it. Okay. Do your thing, man. It's alright, we'll have to cut that.
Dude, it's a freak.
So the only thing maybe that I saw, maybe since they're thin, yeah, maybe that could have been it. But maybe since it's thin and you tapped it over here, maybe a little lighter tap, break it in half like Curdy board, and then bring it back down there and do it. We just got it all set up. Got the weight distributed better. Test number 2. This is the right side. Give her help up. Maybe a baby tap. And maybe try to bring it down.
Is that over here?
Yeah. Maybe one in the middle. you still gotta do it. Oh, okay. Should be good though.
Just missed a hair, huh?
It looked like it broke off somehow. Oh, that's what it did. I think that's usable, Bob.
Better than the last one.
Not bad. Shower pan, both sides are cut. Need to finish this cut and then pleat them. Bugs.
Setting up the guard.
Yeah. Sharks getting me in my legs. Alright.
So he's got one of our pieces that's already cut, full pieces. Just marking those out on our side pieces. When you set up this guard, we're just gonna hammer through them. I'll probably help him on this first one while it's long, and then he'll be able to one-man it once it's short. Do you even need help?
Yeah, no. Problem is, I just gotta go off of this guard. Because I can't put it on this way.
Nice. Only 45 more to cut.
Yeah, I think it needs to be just a hair big. I'm talking hair.
So now that we got the side ones all cut, polished, we're just dry laying them in here.
Cut up and polished. Look at that nailer. Boom. Perfect. Man. Man.
Sick.
Double lightning in the chat. Now these grout joints are just a little eyeball. I'd put them against any laser though. Got your 2x48 shower pan cut and installed. Just dry laid. Everything fits. Everything's sloped perfect. We got 2 rows back behind the drain, coming back at us. Our drain body hits our Curdy walls on left and right, so we don't have to be worried about any water filtration. Everything's sloped right back into the drain. We will notch 2 cuts on that drain cut, so we'll have like 1/2 inches under our wall tile. Wall tile sits on, boom, 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 and then subway. She's ready installed though.
She's a big pan. She's a big shower.
That's a big shot. I love the way it ramps up. It's gonna catch all that water.
It's gonna happen.
So big, got He's sweating.